Hmm? Hmm.
ये ऑन है लेट्स गो। इसको मिनिमाइज कर दिया एंड
While we at live stream, live stream.
इसको मिनिमाइज कर दिया। गॉट इट। ओके वी आर लाइव। ये ऑन है लेट्स गो। इसको मिनिमाइज कर दिया।
Okay. Started the stream.
ठीक है तो आज अपन स्टार्ट करेंगे बैटल बॉट डिजाइन। ओके। इंग्लिश में करें स्टार्ट अपन।
All right, that's fine. अभय so basics of Battlebot बता सकता है?
बेसिक्स ऑफ बैटल बॉट्स हम बाद में आते हैं देख। बैटल बॉट्स में अपन क्या करेंगे पहले। तो हम पहले रूल बुक देखेंगे कम्प्लीटली। उसमें जो की पॉइंट्स है उसके थ्रू जाएंगे देन अपन बेस्ड ऑन दैट आइडिएशन करेंगे। एक आइडिया मेरे पास है उस पर अपन बाद में जाएंगे। पहले अपन उसके अराउंड सर्च करेंगे जो जो फेमस बॉट्स है उसके आइडियाज देंगे। देन जो मेजर चैंपियंस हैं बैटल बॉट्स के उनके आइडिया देंगे।
Hmm. Good.
ओके सो this stream can be for anyone if you are a seasoned robotics enthusiast or just starting with robotics. We'll go in depth in everything and we'll start with designing because designing is the base for everything. डिज़ाइन आएगा उसके बाद उस पे अपन चेंजेस करेंगे अकॉर्डिंग टू आवर कंस्ट्रेंट्स एंड देन विल गो टू प्रोग्रामिंग साइड एंड एट लास्ट we might get a robot. Okay. So basic things about our battle bots. Okay. White board where also.
आहो.
Okay. Just a sec. Yep. Got it. तो यहाँ हम चालू करते हैं 22 का रूल बुक के अकॉर्डिंग। तो बेसिक हमें क्या क्या चीज़ याद रखना है। फर्स्ट थिंग इज आर मोबिलिटी। मोबी
So according
मोबिलिटी
to the
देन
this thing, we can either have a walker, roller, hopper, or flyer. Options बहुत
या
सारे हैं और walking pace
सारे
should
ऑप्शन से
not
बाहर ही
be
जाए।
more than 4 mile per hour.
या तो मेनली मोबिलिटी कंट्रोल weapons. Then we have some configuration, size limit, mini bots we can consider for design perspective. And at last we can go for clearance and stuff. Yeah, protection and clearance. Protection and clearance. Yep. So for mobility we have how many walker, roller, hopper, flyer, splitter, or whatever, as long as move around in a controlled manner without causing damage to any now. Okay, so walker if we see, walker सिमिलर वैसा रहे जो चलते हैं अपन उसके अकॉर्डिंग।
हम्म. वो जो
यप।
मॉन्स्टर डायनामिक्स के रोबोट्स है.
हाँ भाई वो
Yeah, similar to
4 लेग
that.
6 लेग ये सब होता है। यप
Yep.
यप गॉट इट गॉट इट।
Or we can also
रोलर
biped it, but it's very tough. So
हाँ वो कर, हाँ ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है,
a
तो
roller is much more feasible.
yeah, roller is our option. Roller as in simple wheels, right?
Yes.
Yeah, roller as in hopper and walker would be similar, I guess.
Hopper
Yeah.
is more like those pogo sticks that people
हाँ
use.
हाँ, तो walker will be simple four mechanism. Hopper will be a bit more than that. Just
Yeah. It'll
pogo
be
sticks and stuff.
tougher
Yeah.
to create it because of how much force it'll be exerting on the entire bot. But
Yeah,
we can.
force will be there. A lot of vibration because of this will be there, and we have to calculate all the trajectories for the hopper.
Hmm.
So right now we consider it later if we need, but right now it's not a thing. Flyer will be drone kind of thing.
Yes.
Drone, drone might not be that effective in battle bot as a main
Yes.
bot because it has to be lightweight to fly, and also it needs to have a weapon. And drones are not that precise in front of a roller or a ground robot. So we can use flyer as a mini bot. So there's a chance we can use it. Then slitherer is what thing?
Slitherer, as in the motion a snake uses to travel. Usually, this will be a slower kind of a bot, but uh, I would say it will hold its own in defense, as per my
Okay, okay,
knowledge.
okay. Okay, so out of these we can go with rollers, and if we need walkers and flyers, we can try out. Okay,
Hmm.
so then after that we have to move towards wait, at a minimum we would like you to bot able to run at a minimum pace of 4 miles per hour. Okay, if your bot is one, we are really awesome weapon. Okay, so either we need a great weapon or a nice speed. We can have both. It's fine. Then control. Have reliable remote control over a bot's function and position, or autonomous function in the bot are acceptable, provided you are able to remotely disable or override those functions at any time. So basic control will be remote, or if we want, we can do autonomous. But we have condition that we are able to overdrive. Okay. So control can be easily done, like simple algorithms we can use for controlling our bot.
Yep.
Then for the weapon, okay, so weapon is a nice category. We can talk about it here. Okay, so weapon I have seen. First is hammers, which are really basic. Then we got rotors, hammers we can use. Then rotors we can use some kind of these structures. Then we have some fire related. Then also I have seen a lot of spinning kind of thing. Yeah, spinners. Spinners as in full bot spinning, and rotors I am considering single weapon. So this is your bot, this is rotor, and this is your entire bot as a spinning, like in Captain Spinner. Like there was some champion with this name. Yep. What are the other things
We
mentioned
can
here?
also have a grabber.
Yeah, grabber. I think grabber as well. Yeah, grabber we can see, just nice grabber. Yep. Uh, I mean, we can combine two or three of these in our in our weapon system. One independently powered weapon that can seriously affect the operation brings spares. So, spares are alternative model weapon. If your bot does not enter the area with a function effective element, we have to forfeit this. Okay. So one will be primary weapon, which will do major damage, and other will be alternative, which will like if we have to consider. Oh, my bad. My bad. Okay, if we have to wait, इसको यहाँ कर देते हैं. Yep. If we have to consider hammers, rotors, and spinners can be our primary. We can classify them in primary. Then fire and grabber we can assume as an alternative weapon.
Mhm.
So we can combine one primary with one alternative weapon for our entire weapon system. Okay. Or we can do two of primary or some primary combination we can do. Then out of these two, we will differentiate between weight for which one is a primary, which one is our alternative weapon. Okay, so up till weapon, we are clear with the statement. Then if we come towards, where is that? Yeah, towards configuration. Bot can actually be comprised of two or more multi-bots. Each multi-bots meet all the design requirement, described document, and total weight of, okay, so we have to maintain total weight instead of singular weight. Okay, total weight and I guess total size concern will be there. As primary bot size limit, team bot has to start a match from completely within the space of 8 feet by 8 feet square. Okay, so we have size 8 feet by 8 feet. Doors without, okay, nice. Mini bot.
Disassembly.
Yeah, mini bot we can use to uh, dysfunction the opposing bot. Like if we have a primary bot with us, like this is a primary bot and this is a mini bot, and this is our opponent. So with the help of mini bot, we can elevate this one, elevate the opposition, and then attack. So my plan is to just use mini bot as a supporter, and then we'll have an effective strike on our bot, similar to.
So a pincer
Uh,
movement.
ha. Then okay, mini bots and does not have an active weapon. Okay, cannot have an active weapon. Our team is only allowed to use a single mini bot in any match. Okay, so maximum. Okay, single mini bot. Okay, got it. So with the main primary bot, we can have only one mini bot. One primary, one mini. Got it.
No more
And
than 20 pounds.
yeah, for mini bot, we had 20 pounds weight limit. 20 pounds kg में कितना होता? Wait, pounds to
Pounds to
kg.
kg conversion.
20 pounds is 9 kg. Okay,
All right.
so 20 pound 9 kgs. Okay, no big deal. ओबीएस पे दिख रहा है सब कुछ, ओ नहीं दिख रहा क्या? माय बैड। इसको उठाया था, कोई नहीं, इसको उठा के रख देते हैं। 9 kgs एंड हम्म एंटायर बॉट का वेट लिखा है क्या अभी तक? नहीं लिखा ना? ओके, नहीं, बाद में लिखा आएगा। और 250 पाउंड्स, 250 पाउंड्स, 250 पाउंड्स, 250 पाउंड्स इज 22, व्हाट द हेल, नहीं, 113 kg, 113 kgs for the primary. This is for mini ball. Okay,
Okay.
then we'll go for components protection. Batteries, high pressure tanks, fuel tanks, and fuel lines must be sufficiently protected. If you or we can jam the blade of a long screwdriver through the outer shell of the bot and hit the battery. Okay, okay, got it. मतलब इतना प्रोटेक्शन होना चाहिए कि लॉन्ग स्क्रू अंदर ना जा पाए.
Okay.
Okay, so protection is must. Protection is a protection as a defense mechanism, and also for this thing we need. Then clearance. Okay. There is no specific requirement for the clearance underneath the bot. However, the area floor may not be flat, and the floor panels may not be all the same height. There may also be additional low barriers on the floor. Okay, clearance is not given. Clearance is not given, so we can take minimum clearance so that the ground level and the bot will be almost touching each other, like not as much, but
Lower the center of gravity, the
yeah,
better for our bot.
yeah, yeah. It's for two reasons. First is for attack perspective. attack perspective, if we are lower than the other bot, like if other bot is somewhere, we can go beneath that bot and attack it from lower section. We can directly attack its wheels and stuff. And also, we'll have a lot more stability. If we are attacked upfront, we don't move a lot backwards or higher up the ground. Hmm. Okay, so this can be our वेट उसको साइड करता हूँ मैं इसको बीच में कर देता हूँ नाइस ओके सो व्हाट थिंग्स वी नीड टू टेक इन माइंड नाउ इज ये दिख रहा है ना इसको ओबीएस पे ठीक है दिख रहा है इसको ऊपर कर दो थोड़ा ये रहा ओके सो बेसिकली जो हमारा रोलर रहेगा टाइम बीइंग इफ वी नीड वी कैन चेंज इफ नीड okay then if we go for control we'll go for remote control for better performance autonomous we can do like hacksmith did like they track a robot from upfront and then rotate in a circular pattern to find oh God, to find a blind spot within the robot like it's facing here so we can attack from behind something like that we can add weapon if we are going blindly for a weapon, best choice might be rotor plus a grabber. Oh no, rotor plus it can be two rotors and also grabber plus fire. We can see like if a bot is within our reach, we can grab it, hold it up, and then fire it. I guess their time limit of 10 seconds we can hold our bot with. So it will be good for us. Then two rotors are a thing. Then we can use same way grabber and hammer. Grabber plus hammer can be a choice. Similarly, we can grab it and hammer on top of it to just move past its defense system, and also we can break it, make break its weapon. Total spinner bots. I am not sure how much they can work. I've seen them working good, but right now, like I am not using it. Okay, for mini bots, like mini bots, I have a simple mini bots. I have a nice idea. It can work with any battle bots. Okay, first mini bot has to be really thin, close to ground, with long hands. Hands kind of which hands will be it. This can be its 3D structure for hands. Okay, so hands can rotate clockwise and anti-clockwise. So initially this will be in this way. This will be its breadth and length, and it will have some thickness t. Okay, when it rotates, its breadth becomes its thickness. So this will be its thickness, and this will be breadth. So with this transition, if this bot is beneath some other bot, it can rotate its fangs, and then other bot will be in here. So the bot will not have a ground contact. So this will provide us an open spot to attack from any angle we want. Okay, so mini bot, I have this idea. राहुल तेरे पे कुछ बढ़िया idea.
Mm, none that I can come up with right now.
Hmm. Mini bot, if we are trying to attack with mini bot, it won't be that good. Like because 9 kg into some acceleration, it won't produce a lot of force. So attacking with mini bot is not a good thing. We can only use it for strategy. Otherwise, we can use mini bot with fire and stuff, but it won't do anything
But
else
it won't do
because
anything.
yeah, yeah, same thing. Like we cannot use any weapon here in 9 kg of stuff. So we'll use good motors here and stuff for its motion and rotation of these two fangs. It will be enough for us. Okay. So for overall, I have a nice idea. Like if you have seen this thing, now fidget spinner होता ना इसके अराउंड अब आइडिया करते हैं। मेरे पास बहुत पहले आइडिया आया था इसका एक, बहुत बढ़िया। वेट जस्ट अ सेक। ओबीएस पे क्या चल रहा है, इसको साइड कर देते हैं। यस। ओके। तो फिजिट स्पिनर से रिलेटेड एक काफ़ी बढ़िया आइडिया आया था कि फिजिट स्पिनर विद इट्स रोटेशन it produces a lot of force in both directions. So while it's spinning, we can use these two ends to attack our enemy.
Mm-hmm.
Like if it's approaching, if we spin, we can attack this enemy while the enemy is attacking us. Okay, and also we can attach our rotors on top of this, something here. So this will be our rotors, rotor primary weapon on both sides.
Yep, that works.
Yeah, both sides, and these is rotating as well. And also we are according to me, our wheel system will be here, and on sides we'll have ram to eliminate all the attacks coming from these two sides, because these are the only open sides we have. Other ways we have our weapon, so we can attack from here and defense mechanism from here. Also, if someone tries to come from here, it will just move away from us. Just it will just jump from us. Like our bot will be something like this, and this will be a ram. So if someone comes here, it will just jump away. It's my plan. Okay, and also to increase the effect of these two rotors, my plan is to rotate our bot in the same way, so that we have two tires. If we move it in opposite direction, we'll get a rotating force, which will rotate our entire bot with the force lot more than, like it will multiply the force acting on the enemy. If we get a single strike, it will be a knockout, most probably.
Hmm.
Okay, so final design, if we can see, we can make,
So we can make it like a Segway. Wheels over here, wheels over here.
yeah, let's take another image. Okay, so increase this. Yep. So see, we can add our wheel system here, and our weapons here. Like, I guess we can increase the size of our weapon. We can see dimensioning later. First, this is a concept. Okay, this we can make it belt drive also. Belt drive will be fun. Yeah, and here will be
We can
our
make the
defense.
rotors belt driven internally.
Yeah, yeah. This entire thing can be belt driven.
But just the problem with belt is it should not slip during.
Yeah.
So you'll have to
But
keep that in
because
mind.
of some force, it can slip. So we try to focus on efficient manner. If we see, like, we can work on that. We have options for belt and direct motor
Yep.
couplings. Yep, we have these two. Also, design will be somewhat similar to this. And if I have to make a concept design, it will look something like this. Much broader in middle, I guess. It just make circles, so that we can connect these. Okay, we can connect these. So this will be a center of weapons, and these will be our tires. Okay. And for additional support, beneath these two stands, we can add our that wheel there. Which wheel was that? राहुल wheel होता है ना वो वाला, लाइन फॉलोअर में यूज करते हैं जो,
Hmm.
कैस्टर व्हील, कैस्टर
Caster
व्हील।
wheel. Yes.
समथिंग सिमिलर टू कैस्टाविल, या उससे कुछ अच्छा होता होगा तो वो यूज कर लेंगे कैस्टाविल. सो इंस्टेड ऑफ 2 points of contact we'll have 4 points of contact. Castaville, and then to drive this we can have a nice gear driven drivetrain powered by we have to make we have to power it by two motors because we have to change directions. So two motor powers, two motor to power wheels, and two for one or two to power weapon, and then all our battery system can be situated here, and motor drivers can be situated here, and a PCB will be beneath this. And we have a size of 8 by 8, right?
Yep.
So assuming this is a 8 by 8 feet by 8 feet size, जितना मैंने देखा है बैटल बॉस एरिया में पीछे एक ये बॉक्स होता है जहाँ से फाइट स्टार्ट होता है, तो यहाँ पे हम कुछ नहीं कर सकते. ओके. सो we'll have entire length, so I guess we can go with a 6 feet. Let's create a box only. My bad. Okay. So this will be our box for bot, and I'm assuming this will be 6 feet, and this can be up to 2 to 3 feet regarding our what you can say components. How much components do we need?
Hmm.
So for moving forward, this will be there, and also we can vary 6 feet to 7 feet if we need more space for our rotors. These rotors.
Yes.
Yep. So we can configure all these in while designing this finally. And the thickness, like the height of bot. Oh my bad. Height of bot, we can. What we can do with height?
We need a ramp,
Yeah.
and then we'll be having our wheels over here.
Yep. So see, if this is our bot as a 3D pillar, okay. So we need this height. How much will be this height? Okay. So there has to be some minimum height for this. So this depends on multi-factor like a wheel size,
Hmm.
then battery and components. So mostly our weapon will be lower to ground, both weapons.
The thing with our bot is we can have our main bot body over here, and we can also have our wheels sticking out from up and down.
Yes,
That's
we can,
that's
yeah, we
another
can,
point we can consider.
yeah, yeah,
Axle
yeah.
will be inside,
Hmm.
drivetrain will all be inside.
हाँ इस डिजाइन से फिर हमारा बोथ ही हो जाएगा, अगर फ्लिप होता है तो वो भी प्रोटेक्शन हो जाएगा हमारा, हाँ.
Hmm.
है ना.
Yep.
यप यप यप.
Only point being, if it flips, then a ramp is also flipping. So we can probably make a spear instead of a ramp. We will consider.
Mm,
We'll just think about it.
yeah, yeah. We can think about ramps later. Like right now, if we are, yeah, instead of ramp, we can see anything else. Like right now, we can stick with ramps. If we are flip, our ramp will be like this, upwards.
Yep.
And also, we won't have the caster wheel contact if we are flipped.
Yeah.
Okay. We have to consider a lot of things then. Okay. Flip the case. We have to see. Okay. So the entire height depends on these three, and also our weapon size, weapon thickness, right? Thickness won't be that much. If we're going for stainless steel, it won't be that much thickness. Yep. Not a lot of thickness needed. So this will be enough. Okay. Then we can move on to other specifications for this, I guess. Hmm. Where is that? Here it is. OBS पे किधर गया वो? Yep, here it is. इसको साइड कर देते हैं अभी के लिए और इसको यहाँ रख देते हैं. Let's go. Hmm. Okay, next है weight limits for our maximum weight allowed is two. Yeah, it's 113 kg. Then can vary up to 5%. So we have to make it under 110 kg something. Then weight exclusion, safety covers and restraint do not count towards the weight of your bot. If you install one or two small cameras on your bot, the weight of such cameras will not be counted towards the weight limit of your bot. Okay.
If
If
one
BattleBot
install a
installs
telemetry,
a
the weight of the telemetry package will not count towards weight limit of your bot.
hmm, okay. So weight is not a big thing for us. Like 113 kg for a bot is fine.
So basically, just the armor is going to be the essential weight.
Yeah, armor
Armor
and
and
weapons.
motors.
Armor, weapons. Motors will be around like each motor if its weights around 1 kg it's fine. Not a big deal for us. Then our weapon has to be heavy. Then our armor has to be heavy. Or multiple layer we can switch between those two. Okay, decoration cannot weigh more than 10 pounds. 10 pounds is like 5 kg. So decoration part we can see later. If we need to decorate something similar to a fidget spinner, we can. The decoration cannot protect the robot or serve as a weapon. Okay, the decoration cannot easily become a fouling hazard. Must be removable with a simple tool in 5 minutes or less. Okay, removal decoration. Got it. And has the right to require removal.
Removal
Okay.
decoration.
Okay, so it is not necessary for decorations to be there on bot. Non-wheel bot weight. Bots that do not use wheel for locomotion may be granted an additional weight allowance. Refer to non-wheel bot section. Okay, so we are not going for this. If we ever need to, we'll see. Activation deactivations. This we'll do later. Then remote control. Yeah, here we can remote control system or data spectrum communication or automatic pairing between the transmitter and receiver system and converse. Okay, simple as we use in normal robotics. Prohibited material. Oh, what we cannot use. This is something important. इसको बड़ा कर दो तो यहाँ पे क्योंकि दिख नहीं रहा है शायद. छोटा करता है. Yes. This will be enough. Yeah. Prohibited material. So we cannot use the radioactive material. Uranium use नहीं कर सकते. Hazardous loose fibers. Carbon fiberglass. Okay. Toxic and reactive metals. Why?
Except in batteries.
Yeah, batteries we need some lithium and stuff. So organic substance except wood products and battery electrolytes. Okay. Polyurethane foam. Polyurethane foam is okay, it's hazardous when it's burned, I guess.
Yep.
Yeah. On board exterior, lead cannot be there. Rigid plastic foam PVC cannot be there. Foam rubbers cannot be there. Glass or better ceramic cannot be there. Okay.
So we can use lead internally to increase the weight.
Yes.
Just to
Lead
increase the weight.
metal, yeah,
Or we
we
can use
can.
it as lining,
Yeah,
internal
yeah,
lining.
yeah. In the lining we can use that. And also for protection, we can use internal some PVC and stuff to for shock absorption stuff,
Mm-hmm.
foam rubbers and stuff. Yeah. Inside the bot, foam plastic and rubber is not allowed inside the bot. Okay. Magnets. If you are plan on using magnets on your bot, except in motors, solenoid relays, you have to provide us the details of the use and get preliminary approval. Okay, so magnets if you are using, we have to get approval. External magnets. Okay. Flame output requirement. Are we using flame?
Flame will be a little bit too much for us at this point, especially if we are going to make a sister bot, mini bot.
Yeah, like flame is a question. Flame looks cool.
Flame does look cool, but will we be able to use it strategically?
Yeah,
Is another question.
strategically we cannot use. Yeah, strategically we cannot use flame. So right now we are going for two rotan weapons. So for that it will not be there.
Hmm.
Okay, the flame we can use for celebration. Yeah,
Yeah, decoration
yeah.
material. It
That,
won't be added to our weight,
yeah.
especially the butane tanks.
Yep. Then fire. What are the objective? Only pure propane, pure butane, or a combination of these two can be used. Total gas storage per bot is limited to 16.4 ounces. So what is 16.4 ounces? Hmm. 464 ग्राम.
Liters.
लीटर्स में देखूँ क्या? लीटर्स में नहीं है इधर यार.
And
In
ounces
liters.
should be converted to liters.
Why same 0.485 liter.
Okay.
485 ml. Yeah. All gas storage tanks must be protected with armor. The gas cannot be deliberately heated or cooled. Oh, the flame effect can be readily started and stopped at at will using the remote. Okay, we can willingly start or stop. We have to willingly start or stop. Maximum length of flame is 4 feet. 4 feet. Oh, ठीक है. At max gas flow, the flame cannot operate for more than 1 minute total time. Okay, 1 minute is too much. It can enforce potential serious consequences. Okay. Active weapons. Every bot except a mini bot must have a real weapon or multi weapons. If the weapon doesn't look like it can damage or appreciate another bot incapacitate another bot, the bot will not be accepted. So for this weapon definition, the weapon is a powered part of your bot that is remotely operated independent of its mobility method. So otherwise, the weapon can be used in conjunction with moving the bot. Okay. But the basic effectiveness of the weapon cannot depend on bot movement. Oh, so we cannot. Okay, that's an outlook for that, no? Like according to my plan, where is that? Okay, see, my plan was to move the bot along with our rotors, so that will not be considered as a good weapon, I guess. Effectiveness cannot depend on the use of flame and also not on bot movement. So here I consider bot movement a lot, I guess.
If we go
Hmm.
essentially into what a bot is, it's actually a wedge plus a thwack bot.
Yeah.
Are they are allowed, but you need additional powered weapons.
Yeah, these two weapons are powered. Okay, so these are weapons which are powered, and considering enough weight, these can transfer in a good amount of damage. Both, I would say, both can derivative damage the other bot. The moving bot thing is additional for us. So this bot movement is okay. We have to see about this then. We have to cannot depend. Okay, it's not completely. It's not depending on the bot movement. It's effective. It's effective in its basic state, and with the help of bot movement, its effectiveness just increase a lot more. Projectile weapons. Do we need rockets? Rockets. We don't have rockets.
Springs,
Gas
catapults,
powered.
gas pressure, guns.
Power guns. Yeah.
So basically, those are
The-
rockets. Will not
Hmm.
damage the Lexan exterior of the arena.
Hmm.
But the point being that while we'll be spinning our bot, we won't be able to launch any weapons.
Yeah. We cannot launch anything.
The algorithm required for it will be too tedious.
Hmm. Okay, this is our thing. Multi weapons. A bot can have more than one weapon, but at least one of the install weapon must be displayed the ability to damage or incapacitate. At least one of these have to be able to. Okay, at least one. So according to me, these two will be identical. Identical, then we'll be able to destroy the other bots, I guess. Okay, we have total weight of 113 kg. Okay, that's 110 kg. If we allocate 10 kg to armor, 20 kg to bot, and 10 kg miscellaneous, uh, 10 kg armor is enough or no? 20 kg armor, okay.
No, we'll need
20,
more.
20, 60 kg is for our spinners, okay. So if we do 25 kg each, okay. So 25 kg bots. Rotational force, we have to calculate inertia at this point, na, then.
Hmm.
While moving this, we have to calculate force at this point. And we can, okay, it will be nice. Like we can increase the RPM. Like with a lesser weight, we can increase RPM too much. So it's okay. It will damage. Yep. The use of interchangeable weapons is encouraged. However, the bot cannot weight more than a specified limit regardless of weapon configuration. We can change weapons and still we will okay.
Oh, wait. Spinning arms, drums, toothed disc, and like cannot weigh more than 80 pounds.
How much is 80 pounds weight? 80 pounds, no. 80 pounds is 36 kg, it's fine.
So we'll be
36,
having two.
36 kg.
So 25, 25. We can increase
Total weight.
little bit of
Total.
it. I'm not
No,
sure if
no.
it says total weight or a singular uh, this thing. Um,
Spinning weapons must have a fail safe that moving in spinning parts or signals is lost. Spinning weapons must spin at speed, for, full speed to a full stop within 60 seconds or command. Okay. Any spinning weapon cannot weight more than whole body of spinning and surrounding cage cannot weight more than 120 pounds. Any spinning weapon that bolts together with multiple parts or has removed teeth must be pre-approved by Battlebots. Okay, what about two spinning then? Oh, hmm.
so
Bars, arm, drums. So this. Okay, so we have to check on this one then. Hmm. Spinning weapon, bar, arm, drum, toothpick, and the like cannot weight more than 80 pounds. All body spinning spells surrounding cage cannot weight 120 pounds. 120 pounds will be 55 kg.
since this is in plural, they using bars, arms, drums. That means they are including all the parts.
Yeah, that will be a problem for us then.
37 kg divided by 2.
So, that will be much less than we would imagine. But we'll see. We'll see what can we do.
So if we were to do this, then we'll have a much uh,
But
our tracker will be much weaker than other people's because we are
yeah,
dividing the
yeah,
total weight by two.
yeah, yeah, yeah. So a lot of horses will, okay.
So if someone were to, for example, hit our weapon would bend.
Yeah, yeah. Our weapon will, you tell them. Okay, so we have to consider this statement for our weapons. Mm, if this is for single weapon, it's way more than enough, but okay, we'll see. Maximum no external moving part on the bot can have a speed as its fastest point that exceeds 370 feet per second. What is it? What it is in?
Meter per second
Yep.
or kmph.
KMPH will be better, I guess, no?
Yeah.
405 kilometer per hour. Wait,
Ah, nice.
meter per second. How much is 112 meter per second? Oh, wait. Escape velocity कितना है?
Escape
It's more than escape
velocity.
velocity.
Escape. Mm,
Velocity of Earth. It's less than 11.2 kilometer per second. Wait, kilometer per second कितना होगा?
नहीं,
Kilometer
it's
per
11.2 kilometer per second square. That's escape acceleration, not velocity. Velocity is different. अब है तेरा mic off है. Mm-mm, I can't hear you.
चल रहा है, चल रहा है.
हाँ अभी चल रहा है.
हाँ,
ठीक है.
ओके. Okay. Then multi-bot weapons. We don't need multi-bot weapons. Okay. Wait. Demonstrator can be 150 more than 2 feet into the air. Okay, this is not for mini bot. This is for main bot. Internal combustion engines are allowed, but those are too risky to operate.
Mm-hmm.
Hmm.
Pneumatics can be dangerous if you're not familiar with pneumatic system. Use another energy source for your weapons.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yep. Let's see. Then prohibited weapons. Fouling device such as glue, nets, fishing lines, ball bearings, and such. Shooting liquids or liquefied gases like liquid nitrogen. Oh. EMP generators are not allowed. Who will get a EMP generator to tournament? Okay. Deliberate smoke grenades. Okay. Bright light laser that is demonstrated. Weapons that damage the other bot by destroying themselves. Abdul ne. Oh. Then hydraulics we are not using right now, but we can go through first. Wait. Internal conversion now. Pneumatics we can go for if we need to.
We can try pneumatics, yes,
Yeah,
but
to
we'll just be
reposition our
eating
weapons.
away. We'll be eating away at our weight limit.
Like if this design doesn't work, we can go for uh, pneumatics. We can use.
But what would we
For
use pneumatics for? We don't have a lifter. We can
yeah,
repurpose
yeah,
one of the ramp designs as a thrower or something if we
yeah,
go
yeah,
with
yeah.
pneumatics.
So with the help of some pneumatics, or pneumatics will be too much for this. Like I have idea, like if we can make a triangular, what you can say, what was that? Lifter? No, it's not lifter. I forgot the name. For that also pneumatics will not be important. Okay, got it. Hmm. Then pneumatics can be used only for changing position of a weapon.
Huh?
Like if see if we make a small weapon, okay, if we are making a small weapon, entire mass is considered here, and we have a pneumatic attached here. But our area for this is our contact point is somewhat here, so we can access the pneumatics to strike it there at an instant. It works similar to how we are rotating bot. Like for ideation, it is there. It's not important in our bot. So for addition, we can hit with an impact force. There will be two forces. One is straight force, one is angular forces. So this will add up for this. क्या क्या बोलते हैं इसको इंग्लिश में भूल गया मैं. मतलब ऐसा दोनों दोनों फोर्स का कंबाइंड नेट कंबाइंड रिजल्ट लगेगा.
That
यहाँ पे
what?
स्पाइक्स रहेंगे तो यप. सो उसी पोजिशनिंग के लिए मेनली यूज करते हैं न्यूमेटिक्स को. देन आई डोंट थिंक एनीथिंग एल्स कैन बी यूज. Then hydraulics. If you hydraulics, it is better to go for pneumatics than hydraulics.
Pneumatics
Mm.
on weapons, I'm a little doubtful.
Pneumatics on weapon, like pneumatics can be used for hammers like hammers and grabbers. We can use pneumatics.
No, currently, how are this thing rotors are
No, no,
designed
no.
to have half the
Hmm.
this thing weight of what normally we would be using.
Yeah,
If
yeah.
it comes in contact with, of course, it will come in contact with the other bot, and the other bot
Other boards, yeah.
bends. It bends the this thing rotor. Then we'll have some pneumatic leaks within that bot itself.
Yeah, yeah. It will be there. Yes. Hmm. तो वो लीक विल सी. इसमें तो यूज नहीं करेंगे. राइट नाउ वी आर नॉट यूजिंग न्यूमेटिक्स इन दिस बॉट.
Yep,
If we need to use it in some other bot, we can go for it.
we can try in the mini bot if
Mini, mini bot we can use. We can try something out.
want to go to the walker section or we skip it.
No, Walker, we can skip it. Walker are not that effective.
Okay,
Walker looks cool, but not effective.
we'll go on to the handling section then. Handling safety.
Yeah, handling. It's over. Okay. Handling safety. Any sharp edges or corners on the board that could injure someone must have a removable protective cover that cannot be accidentally knocked off. Okay. Mechanical fasten and not held by friction or gravity. If a weapon or other parts of a deactivated bot can move such that it could injure a person, it must have some built-in or external method to prevent. If Battlebot decided that your cover or restraints are not adequate, you will not be able to move your bot from your pit area to the arena.
So basically, the blades that we are planning to use first,
Yeah,
they
yeah.
should be. We'll put some limiting switches so the bot
Limiting,
won't.
no, like there has to be some mechanical strain. Like we can put some rods here to restrain its movement, and we can cover these two parts. If this is about, if this has to be about, if we are making a full, then we can add some holes here to put a rod through, and then we can restrain its rotation, and also same time we can cover all the edges with the similar locks. Like triangular locks with some rods here.
We'll also have to cover the rotors.
These are rotors now.
Uh,
Okay, then also you will not be allowed to hand carry your bot anywhere during tournament. You are required to bring your own hand truck. Okay, ये सब बात की चीज़ है. Step powered telemetry package onto your bot. Such you need to leave the room in a bot for a module experiment for size of an iPhone. Okay. Your bot may be seen on national TV. Television network has appearance of bot should be good. Design graphic. Okay, wait. Borderless and certificates reserve the right in their sole and absolute decision to require changes to or elimination of any design element, graphics or wording on your bot. Okay, वो सब बाद में है. तो बेसिक ओवरव्यू हमारा हो गया है. देन बिकॉज ऑफ दिस स्टेटमेंट, वेट कहाँ गया?
the 80 pounds
या
amount, right?
80 पाउंड. तो बिकॉज ऑफ
37
दैट
kgs.
दिस बॉट इज इन डेंजर देन. हाँ. So we might need something else to work with. Hmm.
Either we can shift the entire design to a secondary bot, a mini bot, the fidget spinner design as a mini bot, or
Okay.
we'll scrap the main design completely and try something else.
We can do that. Because if we are making, if this is for entire primary weapons or all the weapons in there, so this one will not be enough for this particular bot. So with if we have to go for similar things, we have to go for a single rotor. But single rotors are not cool. Not cool. Single rotors are not cool, but
They are effective.
Mhm. Yeah, they are effective.
Can't we use
Mm,
something like a hogger?
ऑगर बना के दिखा एक बार यहाँ पे या सिंगल रोटर नीचे.
Like what I want is a gripper type of thing. Okay, we'll have
कहाँ पे बना रहा
pneumatics.
है?
Uh, just where you erase the this thing below section 10 pneumatics.
अच्छा ठीक है गॉट इट. हम्म.
All right, we'll have this thing over here will be some pneumatic which will bring both of these arms closer, and these will be two hoggers, or you
हम्म.
say screws.
क्रोज ओके गॉट
Yeah,
इट.
they'll come together. These will keep spinning, and they'll come together. And the bot
ओह
will get
गॉट
stuck
इट.
over here.
राइट.
Or
गॉट इट.
sister bot will lead this into this.
Got it. Battle bots. There's similar thing in Battle Bots Arena, right?
Hmm.
Uh, wait. Spinners, na? Wait, let me find it. Where is it? कहाँ गया? दिख नहीं रहा है इसमें. Maybe this. Uh, these things, right?
Wait a
These
second.
things. Wait.
Let me just reload. Hmm.
Um,
Yeah, kind of these
yeah.
things. Hmm.
These two in upfront each other.
Yeah,
Yep.
yeah.
Yep. Got it. So we can do with that also.
So we can
Hmm.
try side view as this is a ramp behind, and the gripper will be in the front.
Yeah. This will be back and this front. Okay, back. Yep.
And then
Hmm.
we can use our
Hmm.
sister bot, this fidget spinner,
Hmm.
as a way to lure it.
Yep. Hmm. We can go with this also. Ah. Oh, wait. I got one more idea. Okay, there's a ideation for this. Like instead of making a straight bot like this, if we make it at an angle similar to this, these two spinners will collaborate into one part. Okay,
We still
just a sec.
we still get the this thing right. What if the bot tries to attack from here? This will get bent
Yeah,
like
we'll
this.
see, we'll see. We can develop on this. Like it's a nice idea, I guess.
It's a nice idea. And we put a ramp over here,
Yeah,
so backside is
yep,
safe.
yep, yep. Let's go. We can develop on this design also. Mm. व्हाट्सएप ये रहा 9:30 ना 9:30 अभी टाइम कितना हुआ है
8.
8 ओके 8 ओके नाइस ठीक है तो वी कैन मूव विद दिस डिजाइन इंस्टेड ऑफ विद कहाँ गया दोबारा इंपोर्ट कर रहे थे इसको और इट्स प्रीटी स्मॉल ओके so basic idea is we'll bend these two parts towards that and we combine a single weapon here or we can have two weapons and effective force will be in between this these two opposite spinning weapons we can add okay like similar like either we can have a single weapon here which will be difficult because we won't have enough force like single weapon is not a case here yep single weapon is not good if you are planning with a weapon here it will be similar to some other bot I have seen that no it won't be good mm, how can we extend the idea wait let's see समझा रहा हूँ आइडिया
हाँ समझा तो सही है.
पर इसमें प्रॉब्लम है कि ओरिएंटेशन प्रॉब्लम है उधर हम्म टू, 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 टू। क्योंकि सिमिलर ओरिएंटेशन में अपोजिट स्पिनर्स आएंगे तो चांसेस हैं कि वो थ्रो बैक भी अपने पे प्रॉब्लम आ सकता है
हम्म.
बट ठीक है इस पे डिस्कस करते हैं बाद में हम लोग तो अभी के लिए हमारा इसमें हमारा क्या रहा है वेट कंस्ट्रेंट आ रहा है ना
Yes.
वेट बेसिकली फॉर वेपन बाकी सब नहीं है इतना प्रॉब्लम्स वेपन वेट इज प्रॉब्लम
If they say that total amount of weight for weapons is 80 pounds, then we
Hmm.
have problem. If they just say
Ah,
singular arm is 80 pounds, then we'll be fine.
yeah, yeah. Most of it will be entire weight of weapons. Mostly.
Mhm.
Because it's written weapons there, I guess. Wait, where is it is?
It's written arms and drums to the twists.
Uh,
Everything is written
yeah,
together.
yeah, yeah. Yeah, that's why. So we might need to go for a single weapon then. Hmm. Hmm. So how can we elaborate a single weapon in this? Or we have to move up from this fidget spinner style. Anything else is there? Whole body, spinning shell or surrounding cages cannot fit more than this. Cannot fit more than
Or,
two
or, or,
this.
or we could do a bit of
Yep.
volley style. Uh, volley. You
वॉली में
remember
क्या था?
uh, how Wally uses his stomach for compressing those trash.
Yep, 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 yep.
So same Hogger system, but instead we can like make a arm that can move up and down and also slide along the length of the arm. If you understand what I mean.
आर्म यूज करेंगे वेट
Just come back
ah
to
yeah got it like these are the arms. It will go up and down.
where we were discussing the Hogger idea. Just below that.
This one na, this one na. Yep.
1 second. This one.
जॉ वाला काम नहीं करेगा.
And then we put a hogger over here or
हाँ.
this, and then we'll have
Oh, got it. Like something like this, na, right? This will go up and down.
this will go up and down,
Uh,
and it will also decrease in size.
ah,
So
got it. Like it will be
the
like
arm will come here, and then this hogger will be over here.
got it.
I
So
don't know, I can't even see
basically,
my own drawing.
this will be main lever. Then this will be auger. This will be going up and down, and same way inside and outside.
Hmm.
And one auger will be somewhere here. We can say, right?
Yeah, and enemy bot.
And a what will be crushed in between this. Oh, cool stuff. हाँ. Okay, we can go for this. Oh, उस पे देख नहीं रहा था. My bad. इसको हाइड कर देते हैं. काम का नहीं है इतना. Okay, we can go for this also.
Since we know
Mm,
the size constraint of the bots is how much? 8 by 8, right?
yeah, 8 by 8.
So
मेरे से
we'll have to make this entire space 8 by 8. Hmm.
yeah, no, not entirely 8 by 8, less than 8 by 8. But oh, yes. Because of this, we won't have, we cannot control the weight of any bot, right? So this won't be effective. If the bot is more than our this size, then we are lost.
Yeah. Only hope
Yeah,
is
yeah.
they make bots smaller
Eh,
than what we have.
so hope is not enough. Okay. So we can go for something else then. Hmm. Let's see something.
Well, then the two hogger idea will also not work because the
Yeah,
hogger
yeah.
will
So,
have to
same way,
extend
same way. Yeah.
more than what the size constraint is. And
Yep,
extending it
yep, yep.
will also create a pneumatic failure if it happens.
Hmm. Hmm.
We'll see.
Okay. Hmm. ओके देख, वी हैव टू सी दिस देन। ये एक साइड में कैसे पूरा चेंज करना पड़ेगा?
Yep,
वाई? वाई?
this is
वाई
life.
दिस?
It's not fair.
वाई? ओके, दिस इज आवर मेजर कंस्ट्रेन। हाँ। ओके, बाद में देखते हैं इसको फिर। अभी के लिए इतने पे रखते हैं, अगर सिमुलेशन ट्राई करते हैं इसका, अगर हो पाए तो नहीं चेंज करेंगे इसका हम।
Hmm.
सिमुलेशन में हमारा फोर्स कैलकुलेशन होता है क्या?
Yes, होता है।
हाँ, तो कर सकते हैं, नॉर्मल कैलकुलेशन का तब भी हो जाएगा आई गेस। पर वहीं पे सिक्योरिटी नहीं आएगी उसमें हमारे पास इतनी, जितनी उतने वेट के अंदर। ओके, लेट्स सी, अगली बार देखते हैं। आह,
ठीक है फिर, कर दे बंद। और एंडिंग